And one.
Hi guys, today we're gonna be making our own very volcano. So here's what you're gonna need. You're gonna need 3 cups of flour, 1 cup of salt, and 1 cup of water and 2 tablespoons of oil. So first you're gonna start with the 3 cups of flour. And then second, you're going to put the 1 cup of salt in. Third, you're going to put the 1 cup of water. And then last, you're going to do oil.
Hold on, mommy has to pour it for him.
Come on. You set it down. It don't matter.
Come on, there.
Okay. Hold up, guys. My mom is pouring the oil because she forgot to pour it when we started the video.
Be careful. Don't let it fall. So that's 1. Go ahead.
Here it is.
1 tablespoon. And
Okay, and then you're
you
going to
need one more.
Hold up. We have to do one more.
Hold it tight. Okay.
Okay. Okay, and then fifth, you're going to stir.
Stir it real good. That's how it's supposed to be, nice and hard. It's tough.
Yes. If you can't stir it, let your mom do it something. Because it's kind of hard.